Welcome, my dear kids. I miss you so much. I hope you all good. Let's memorize the words. Kite, kite. K-I-T-E. Repeat it after me. Kite, K-I-T-E. Rope, rope. R-O-B-E. Again, R-O-B-E. Excellent. Bike, bike. B-I-K-E. Again, B-I-K-E. Scooter, scooter. S-C-O-O-T-E-R. Repeat it after me. S-C-O-O-T-E-R. Very good. Line, line. L-I-O-N. L-I-O-N. Monkey, monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Again, M-O-N-K-E-Y. Giraffe, giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Again, G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Very good. Deer, deer. D-E-E-R. D-E-E-R. Now the new word. Do you know what is it? Very good. It's a parrot. Repeat it after me. Parrot. Parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Again, and repeat it after me. P-A-R-R-O-T. Let's write parrot. P-A-R-R-O-T. Say it with me. Parrot. Parrot. B-A-R-R-O-T. Very good. The oral tongue. Say it with me. Elephant. Elephant. Crocodile. Crocodile. Goat. Goat. Toad. Toad. Duck. Duck. Rat. Rat. Very good. Let's make the revision page 54 and 55. What's your full name? B. Are you a boy or girl? If you are a boy, you should write boy. And if you are a girl, you should write girl. How old are you? Very good. 5 or 6. Write the missing letters. Do you know what this? Excellent. It's giraffe. Let's spell giraffe. G. Very good. I. R. A. F. Excellent. F. E. The next one. Deer. Very good. Okay, it's spelled deer. D. Excellent. E. D. E. Very good. Another E. R. Deer. Line. L. Very good. I. O. N. Line. Monkey. M. Yes, it's O. M-O-N-K. Very good. E and Y. Match. 1. Giraffe. Do you know where the giraffe? Yes, it's over there. 2. Deer. Yes. 3. Parrot. Where is the parrot? Yes, it's over there. 4. Lion. Yes, it's there. 5. Monkey. Where is the monkey? It's there. Very good. The new word, actor. Repeat it after me. Actor. Again, actor. A-C-T-O-R. A-C-T-O-R. Very good. Actor. Let's write actor. A-C-T-O-R. A-C-T-O-R. Actor. Don't forget to do your homework, page 52, 54, 55, and 56. And goodbye. Have a nice day.